Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use the Apple Games application. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic. It's a new application that Apple has just made, and it's basically just like an all-in-one game app that allows you to go ahead and basically, see a lot of game stuff and game information inside of your particular application, inside of your iPhone. Now, when you first open it, you can come right into your Home tab. This Home tab basically has a lot of games that you've recently played. So you can kind of come in and just see all the different games that you've recently played, top played games. So any games, these aren't even on my phone, but you can go through and download these types of games if you want to. You can browse different types of categories of games that you can go through and kind of, play. And then you also have all these other things. It's almost like at the App Store, but just a game specific App Store inside of your phone. Now, under this second option, which is Arcade, if you do have Apple Arcade, you can go through and buy it, and you can use and see all your Apple Arcade games here. It's a cool subscription model. I don't know anybody who personally has bought it yet, but it seems cool. There's a lot of games you can play inside of this too, but Apple Arcade is built in right inside of Apple Games. This third option is Play Together. This one allows you to go ahead and kind of combine all the games and stuff that you've played recently with other people. You can, basically modify and use this game right in here. So you can go through and basically see your stats and see other things inside of this particular application. So this is another cool thing that you can kind of just see. And if you have a multiplayer game inside of your phone, you can also go through and, see all that stuff right inside of here, which is awesome. And the last option is Library. This is just all the games that you kind of have inside of your phone right now. So every single game type of application will show up right here. Even emulators, you can see I have PPSSPP, RetroArch, Gamma. It's kind of cool that it still shows my emulators here. And you can go through and use those emulators and play those games right inside of your phone this way as well. So that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.